To the Attic Addicts. I wanted to talk to you today about something that I sold that I think you're really gonna love and be so interested in this amazing pattern. And I also want to tell you about something that I posted today, which I am absolutely in love with, and I cannot wait to see who it ends up going home with. So let me start with what I sold. I sold this beautiful, beautiful Kisses blouse by NYDJ, brand new. I loved it because it had the pattern, of course, of the Kisses, which it's so pretty. It's pink and white, and then you have, of course, the red, which is so nice, especially like with some amazing red lipstick. It has a really nice button, sort of like off center, which gives this really pretty angle towards the front of the blouse. So yes, this was a really, really fabulous addition to my closet. It was actually brand new with tags, and I ended up selling it for $25, and after Poshmark fee it was $20, and I paid $3 for it, so it's about $17 profit. Now this is hanging actually behind me. Excuse me, and I absolutely adore it. I picked this up today, and this is Torrid. Now, this is a size 3, and so is the blouse a size 3. See, I do so well with large sizes, plus sizes. It's just so, I love it. I love, love, love shopping larger sizes. It's just so fun for me. Check out this gorgeous piece I found. It's actually a cardigan, and it has the most beautiful multicolor in it. I was trying to photograph it today the best I could, and I think I did pretty well, but oh my gosh, in person, it's just phenomenal. And it has these really pretty little brownish beige buttons on it. And when I tell you it's cozy, it is absolutely so cozy. So this went up in my closet today, and this is going out of my closet today. And I always like to share with you guys what's going on in my closet. I know it's different for everybody, and but it's nice to see. It's nice to see. I'm over here on the East Coast, and I've been doing this part-time for a year and a half, and I really love it, even though it totally feels like full-time. I'm not complaining. I love it, but it's not really part-time. Anybody, if you agree with me, put it down in the in the comments. And if you enjoy spending time with me, checking out what I sold in my closet, telling you a little bit about, you know, the company. It used to be Hot Topic, and now it's Torrid. You have to check it out. Please put the like and subscribe button. What do? You click on that. That's it, right? I'm so bad with this kind of stuff. Like and subscribe, please. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys again soon, very soon, probably tomorrow. I'll give you some more insight on some stuff that I sold. So be well, and knowledge is power, and peace out.